4 effective ways to backup and restore Android data. What you can do to prevent data loss is to backup Android data in time, so you can restore Android data from backup files with ease. There are different ways you can use to save Android data for restoring preparation. Here we will introduce 4 convenient and effective methods to backup and restore Android data on device or self-Dakota card. Option 1. FoneLab Android Data Backup and Restore. FoneLab Android Data Backup and Restore is a powerful and simple tool to help you backup and restore data with a few clicks. You don't need to worry about current data will be replaced by moving data. What's more, you can also choose data type to transfer, so you can move data selectively. Step 1. Download and install FoneLab Android Data Backup and Restore from official site, and then open it on your computer. Step 2. Connect device to computer and enable USB debugging. Step 3. Choose Android Data Backup and Restore, Device Data Backup, and then choose data you want to backup and click Start. If you want to backup all data on device, click One-Click Backup. Step 4. Click OK in the pop-up window. If you have question about how to restore Android data from the backup, please read below tutorial. Step 1. Choose Android Data Backup and Restore, Device Data Restore. If you want to restore all data on device, click One-Click Restore. Step 2. Choose data you want to restore and click Restore. Please keep in mind that this way won't modify or replace the data on your device, thus you don't need to worry about the existing data will be wiped. Option 2. Android phone settings. Similar with iPhone, Android phone has a feature to enable users to backup and restore in Settings app. It would require that you have a Google Drive account, and then you can follow below steps to backup and restore data. Step 1. Go to Settings, Backup and Reset. Step 2. Enable Backup My Data and Automatic Restore. The backed up data can be restored by the same Google Drive account during the setting procedure for a new Android device. Step 1. Connect your device with a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instruction to set up your device. Please don't choose to copy Google accounts, apps, and data here, and then log in your Google Drive account. Step 3. Select the device you want to restore from. Hit Restore. Option 3. Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. Cloud services is somewhere you can upload and access with internet connection rather than a computer. Here we will talk about how to backup and restore Android data with OneDrive. Step 1. Download OneDrive on your Android phone and then open it. Step 2. Tap the upload icon and then choose data you want to backup and tap OK or Done to begin the procedure. If you lost these data, you can easily access them on OneDrive and then download and save them on Android phone. On one hand, this method is convenient to use as you can access whenever you are without equipment requirement. On another hand, some users think that it will make them risking data disclosure as anyone know the account and correct password can log in it and get what they want. Please move on to get other different methods to save data on local folder where cannot be accessed. Option 4. Computer hard drive. You have 2 options. Both computer and hard drive can be a good choice to save your Android data. It won't ask special tool or program to transfer data between device and computer, so you can backup and restore Android data via a USB cable with ease. Step 1. Connect your device and computer with the USB cable. If you want to move data between device and hard drive, you should also plug your drive to this computer. Step 2. Open your mobile phone folder and local folder, and then you can simply drop and drag files between the folders. That's all.